Start with the name of Allah, is the most merciful and most beneficent. Today I am going to discuss a most important topic, that is atomic mass. Here I mentioned the heading atomic mass, but with atomic mass I also wrote one thing, that is trick. Now by the using of trick we will find the atomic mass all the element from hydrogen to the zinc. And now for example, what is the trick? There are two type trick. One is odd trick and one is even trick. Here I mentioned one is odd trick and one is even trick. With an odd number you will try to use the odd trick, and with a even number you will try to use the even trick. But here is some exception. With boron, with a, with boron with not boron, with beryllium, and you will use beryllium is a odd in number because it is present in fourth in number, and you will use with the beryllium it is a even in number because it is present in fourth in number. So you will use it with it the odd trick. And like this, the nitrogen, it is present in seventh in number in the periodic table. The its odd number, it's showing the odd number 7 because it's odd number you will use the even tricks with nitrogen. Except these two element you will use with the odd trick with odd number, and you will use even trick with even number without the nitrogen and beryllium. So now I mentioned some headings here. Here is number, all of these are number. Either is it even and odd number. With the odd number you will use the odd trick, and with even number you will people use the even trick. I already told you, except the beryllium and nitrogen, it is opposite. And its elements hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, etc. and so on. And atomic mass, the hydrogen atomic mass is here, and the second number helium, the atomic mass is here, the third number lithium atomic mass is here. And like this, and here is also I mentioned some elements 11 12 its number, and elements sodium, magnesium, aluminum, etc. and atomic mass. And here is trick, and here is also trick. And in this space I will use the trick even and odd trick. By using that trick I will find the atomic mass of this element. And number here is also number 21 to 30, and by this element, yes, scandium, titanium, vanadium, tritium, and all these are also element, and with this atomic mass here is here. And by using this trick I also can find the atomic mass of this element. Now let's start from hydrogen. Hydrogen is present in the first in the periodic table, and its number is 1 because it is present in the first number in the periodic table. Because hydrogen atomic mass is 1.00, it is not difficult to memorize, so you just memorize in your brain because it's not difficult. The trick also not apply on this element. Now let's start from the helium. Helium is a even in number. Helium is even number, and element helium, its number is 2 because it is present in second in number in the periodic table, and atomic mass is 4.00. And here I already told you, with an even number you will use the even trick. So even trick is just you multiply 2 and answer will come. And here is even, you will put the 2 here, this 2 you will put here, and you will just multiply with the trick 2, with the trick 2, even trick 2, and this answer will come. And this answer will exactly or approximately to the mass of the helium. Here is 4.0 and 4 it's equal, so it's the mass of helium. So next it is a odd number. So because the third number of element in the periodic table is lithium is found, so here you will put the 3 here, and you will use the odd number trick. I also already told you odd number trick, multiply 2 and plus 1. You just multiply 3 with 2 and you just add 1 with it, and 3 2 are 6, and it will become 7. 6.94 is also, you can say that it's 7 or 6.94. It's not a big problem, so you can also say 7 or you can also say 6.94. The atomic mass of lithium is 7. Here answer is came 7. And beryllium, I already told you that beryllium, with beryllium it is a even number, but you will use with beryllium or trick. So beryllium, you will put this 4 here and you will multiply with 2 and you will add with 1, and this answer will come 9. So 9 is atomic mass of beryllium. And like this way it is boron, and boron number is 5, and you will put this 5 here and you will use the OR trick to multiply by 2 and with plus 1, and it will become 11. It will become 11. Now 11 is the atomic mass of boron. By using the trick I am going to find these things. Now the sixth number is carbon. You will put the 6 here and you will put the 6 here and you will use the trick, even trick. You will use even trick. You just multiply with 6 2 and this answer will come 12. So atomic mass of boron carbon is 12. Here is 12.01. And number 7th is nitrogen. I already told you there are 2 elements, that nitrogen is odd, but you will use the trick even. Now with 7 you will just multiply 2 and it will become 14. So atomic mass of nitrogen 14. And oxygen is a even. You will use the even trick. It will become 16. So you also can say that the atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Now like this fluorine, you also can find the atomic mass of fluorine. Here you will put this 9 here and you will multiply, because it is odd in number, so you will multiply, you will using the odd trick and you will multiply 2 and you will plus with 1 and it will become 18.99. Also can call it 19. Now the next one is 10th, neon, and it number, you put this 10 number here and you will multiply this with 2 and it will become 20, and this atomic mass is here. And now I am going to find the sodium atomic mass. So sodium is 11 in the number and you will use the odd number trick. You will multiply 2 and you will plus 1 and it will become 23. The atomic mass of sodium is 23, you can say. And now magnesium, you put this 12 here and it is a even number. In number you just multiply with 2, because with even we just multiply with 2 and it will become 24. Here is also 24, here is also 24. The atomic mass is equal. And aluminum is 13 in number. Here you put 13 and it's odd in number. You will multiply with 2 and with also plus 1. It will become 27. Here is 27 in number. And silicon is 14th in number. You will, it's even in number, you will just multiply with 2 and its answer will come, you will just multiply with 2 and its answer will come 28. 28 will come. Now come to the next one. Here is phosphorus 15 and you put this 15 here. It is an odd number. Now you multiply with 2 and you also plus add the 1 and its answer will come 31. And like this way you also can find the sulfur. For example, sulfur number is 16. It's an even number. You just multiply with 2 and its answer will come 32. And chlorine 17 in number and it's an odd number, because you multiply with 2 and you also add 1 and its answer will come 35. Like this way you also find the can find the argon atomic mass, but you can just, argon is 18, you little bit you skip this number and come to the next element 19. 19 is potassium, so you put this 19 here and it is an odd number, so you multiply with 2 and you plus with 1 and its answer will come 40. Okay. And calcium is the last element, 20th in element, 20th element. You will put this 20 here, and it's even number, you just multiply with 2 and its answer will come 40. Its answer will come 40. Now here the argon is also, the atomic mass is 40. Without using the trick, you just memorize the argon atomic mass 40, because the calcium is also 40, argon is also 40 in number. And now by using these two tricks, you cannot able to find this atomic mass, scandium, titanium, etc. These elements you cannot able to using these two tricks to find the atomic mass. But here you will just add the number. By adding the number, you can apply this two trick, and by the help of this trick you can find the atomic mass of the element. For this purpose, you just put in front of scandium you put 3, and titanium, in front of titanium you just put the 4, again you put 5, again you put 4, again you put 5, again you put 4, again you put 5, again you put 3, and again you put 5, and you just memorize this number. Without this number, without adding this number, you cannot able to find the atomic mass of this element. So now using this trick, like this way we will use this trick, because here is just, it's a new thing, it's a, this number is a new thing, because all of these are we discussed recently. Now you, scandium is 21th in number, you put this 21 here. We are using the trick, it's a odd number, it is odd in number, and you multiply this with 2 and plus 1, with 2 and plus 1. It is odd trick, it is odd trick. With odd number, I already told you that with odd number you will add the odd number trick. Now 21th number you put it, I put it here, and multiply 2 and plus 1 is a trick. So it is till like this we have already studied. But here you will also put the 3, here we added the new numbers. With this you will also put the 3, and its answer will become 45. Like this way, titanium 22, you will use the trick, even trick. You just multiply, for even trick you just multiply with 2, and also add 4th, also this number 4, and this answer will come 48. And like this, you, the vanadium 23 in number, and it is odd number, you will use the trick 2 plus 1, and also you will plus this new number 5, and its answer will become 51. And like this way, the tritium, it is a 24th in number, and it is a even number, just multiply by 2, and also add with new number, its answer will come 52, and add with new number. And manganese, and the 25th number you also can find 25, and its odd number, you will use the odd trick to multiply by 2 and plus 1, also you will plus this new number, and it will become 55. So atomic mass of the here is 55. And 26th in number, iron, you can also find the atomic mass of iron. Here is even, you just multiply with 2, and you also add with this number, new number, and it will become 56. And like this way, 27 cobalt, it's a odd number, you will multiply with 2, and you will add 1, and also add 5 new number, and its answer will come 59. It's also sorry, with this here is with this here, and here is with this, and with this here. And now we are going to find the nickel atomic mass. So this is 28 in number, you put this 28 here, and you will also, it is an even number, you will multiply with 2, and you will also add the new number 3. Here you will add the new number 3, and its answer will become 59. Like this way you also can find the copper in 29 in number, it is a odd number. You will multiply with 2, and you will add 1, and also add a new number 5, and its answer will become 63. And like this way you will also find the last element 30th in number, put the 30 here even in number, so just multiply with 2 and also add the new number 5, and answer will become 30. Answer will become 65, sorry, 65. By use of the trick we found the elements atomic mass from hydrogen to till zinc 30 in number. And if you like my video, so subscribe my YouTube channel, also press the bell icon for upcoming the new videos. Thank you for watching my